For we walk by faith, not by sight. Psalms 23 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Genesis 1:1. Napasimulan ka ng Diyos ng langit at ng lupa. Pakinggan mo, Israel ng Panginoon, Diyos isang Panginoon. Ibigin mo, Panginoon Diyos, ang puso ng kaluluwa. Genesis 1:1. Napasimula, nilikha ng Diyos ang langit at lupa, matay pa ibig, mapapalat at may malinis na puso sapagkat makikita ang kahayaan ng Diyos. Naminig ka ng payo at tumanggap ka ng turo upang ikaw maging pantas sa huling wakas. Philippians 4:13. Again, doon Kristo Christ that made John 11:35. Jesus well. John 10:30. Ako may isa. 23:1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Romans 12:12. Be joyful because you have hope, be patient in troubles, come and pray at all times. Genesis 1:1. Ang pasimula, nilikha ng Diyos ang langit at lupa. Exodus 20:13, 14, 15, 16. Huwag ka magnakaw, huwag ka babatay, huwag ka mangungulo, huwag ka mamimitan ng kapwa. John 10:30. Ako tamay sa Philippians 4:29. Doon at two precious revenue. Genesis 1:1. Ang pasimula, nilikha ng Diyos ang langit at lupa. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believe in Him should not perish but have everlasting life. Galatians 6:14. As for me, I will never boast about anything except the cross of our Lord Jesus Christ. John 10:12. Philippians 4:13. I can do this through Christ that has made me. Matay pa ibig na panamalinis at ibig. Lucas 18 verse 8. Ang mga bagay na hindi kayang gawin ng tao, kayang gawin mo Diyos. Awi 23 verse 1. Si Yahweh ang aking pastor, hindi ako magkukulang. John 10:30. Ako tamay isang. Ang pasimula, nilikha